Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into something super useful: how to order a prepaid card on Western Union. Whether you're looking to manage your spending, travel with ease, or simply want a secure way to make payments, a prepaid card from Western Union might be just what you need. In this video, I'll guide you through the steps to get your very own prepaid card, from signing up to getting it delivered right to your door. First, open your browser. Then, in the search bar, type Western Union. Go to official Western Union website. Now hover your mouse above settings icon. Then, in the drop-down menu, find Prepaid Card and click on it. Here you can order your new prepaid Visa card or register your existing one. Click on button Order Your Card. If you're already signed up, just log in. If not, don't worry, it's easy to create an account. In text field, input your email. Click on Agree and Continue. Now create your password. Use letters, numbers, special characters. Don't use your first or last name. If you need help for this topic, I will insert video link on top right corner of the screen. Click Continue. Now check your email for verification code. Here is mine. I will insert it on Western Union site. You will get yours on email. Now enter your US phone number. Once you're in, you'll want to look for the section where they offer prepaid cards. This could be under Products and Services or Financial Services, depending on where you're located. Take a moment to explore the different card options they offer. There are usually a few, like travel cards or general-purpose reloadable cards. Pick the one that best suits what you're looking for. Then, they'll ask for some personal details, like your name and address. You might also need to provide some identification information. After you've submitted, the waiting game begins. Western Union will review your application, and if everything checks out, you'll be approved. The approval process can take some time, so be patient. Once you're approved, your prepaid card will be mailed to the address you provided. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.